We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I am going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet 4250. So anytime I have a jam, the first thing I like to do is check my tray. So if you have a jam and it's located here, you should be able to pull it out like right here. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to make sure to pull slowly and gently. You don't want to go fast or yank really hard. If you do, it could rip some paper off inside the printer or damage a sensor. Both of those will result in more jams. Okay, so then if it's not there, go ahead and take your toner out. If it's here, it would be literally like right here. So yet again, you would just want to be careful when you're removing that jam. Go slow. Last but not least, it could possibly be in the back. So then you would just take this back part down and then just pull it from the back. That would be pretty easy. Yet again, you want to go pretty slow and you don't want to pull really hard. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.